say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Forming the Kwesiko Hagia Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyamoe Institution.
Because build a great work channel is busy, but for today, Pado coming for chemical that is meant to kill all sickness within the human stomach as stomach.
Yes, let them have me carry that on.
Good afternoon, everybody, especially our folks there in Liberia, the students, school administrators, parents, and guardians. Would like to welcome you to the last game of the round of 12 of the mathematics games of the National Quiz Book Games for Liberian schools. So far, the next round is the round of 6, and so far we have 5 schools who have qualified uh, by the skin of their teeth to move on to the next round. Jimmy Jodokon has qualified. Sister Kathleen McGuire has qualified. We have Nathaniel Vani Massaquet has qualified. Thomas, who are the other 2 schools?
James?
James School System from Greenbasso has qualified, and one more.
You call Jimmy Jologon.
And Jimmy Jodokon has
Jimmy Jologon.
right. So, from the look of things, Grace, the student from Grace, is not present. He is not in studio. So, Thomas, can you please communicate with the coordinator so that he doesn't stick around?
Sure. I'll do that.
All right. So Grace is not in studio. That means, by all accounts or all indication, Sumo Moye is going to have a free ride, which is highly unexpected, to the round of 6. So, that's such a good, or strong luck, if I may say, a very strong luck on the part of Sumo Moye to have an empty bench at this level. Let's move over to Sumo Moye to give us 30 seconds of intro. Sumo Moye, please be fast. 30 seconds.
Representing the Mother Sumo Memorial Institute, I brought me this scholars.
Well, I'm raising Sumo Jion over to the match. Call me Star Legend, the Algebra. Why Star Legend, the Algebra? Because I'm the world. I'm the combination of the world Algebra and calculator. A boss.
And I'm blessing T. Charlotte over to the match. I remain constant.
Okay. Hi, to the students there from Sumo Moye. This is what is going to happen. We're going to read you fast 18 questions, meaning for each question. I advise you to take your time and solve, or if you decide to give your answer, that's going to be 10 seconds and not a minute. And whenever you have a question, you have to set aside to really prove your answer. If you cannot prove, you will not be given the point. There's no forgiving business. There'll be no exception to this rule when it comes to you because you're playing an empty bench. So if you cannot prove the answer, we'll not give you the point. Thomas Tappet, over to you so I can go ahead and start the reading.
Yeah, name is Thomas T. Tapper Jr. So if I march down the west, we move directly into the game.
Questions number 1. Pen and paper. Questions number 1. If one number is 3 times as large as another number, and the smaller number is increased by 19, the result is less than twice the larger number. What is the larger number? I come again. If one number is 3 times as large as another number, and the smaller number is increased by 19, the result is 6 less than twice the larger number. What is the larger number?
30 seconds remaining.
25 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining.
Sumo,
Sumo,
the largest number will be 75 or 12.
you're wrong. The largest number is 15. And your setup is x plus 19 is equal to 2x, or is equal to 2 times 3x minus 6. I can make it x plus 19 is equal to 2 times 3x minus 6. That's the setup. And it's easy to solve from there. Questions number 2. The side of an equilateral triangle is 7. Or each side of an equilateral triangle is 7. What is the area of this triangle?
Sumo,
Sumo Moye.
the area will be 49 over 4, the square root of 3.
49 over 4 the square root of 3. Teach me.
Yes, firstly, you get the size or the size of the equilateral triangle to be 7. And although that equilateral triangle, the 3 sides are equal, that is 7. And the formula for finding the area of the equilateral triangle is A equal S square over 4, the square root of 3. In the case, you solve it to S, which is 7. So you say A equal S. Instead of S, you'll be putting to 7. So you say A equal parenthesis over 7 square over 4 radical 3. 7 square is 49. So it'll be 49 over 4, the square root of 3.
Okay, 10. The question is number 3. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to 5x minus 3 or divided by 3x plus 1. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to 5x minus 3 or divided by 3x plus 1. Thomas, please check the fixture. Please, you need editing to do. Maguire, not Tottenham.
Oh, I thought I removed this.
You got 5 seconds left.
Sumo.
Sumo,
The inverse there will be y will be equal to x plus 3 all divided by 5 parentheses will be 1 minus x.
repeat your answer.
The answer here is x plus 3 in parentheses x plus 3 all divided by 5 minus 5x, or x plus 3 all divided by 5 parentheses will be 1 minus x, the closest, equal to y.
What's in your denominator?
The denominator is 5 minus 5x. If you factorize it, will be 5 parentheses will be 1 minus x, the closest.
You're wrong. You're wrong. The inverse of x, or if you want to say y, will be equal to minus x minus 3, or divided by 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. You won't find a mistake or you good?
Okay, if you're getting read the question, say 5s minus 3 or what 3s plus 1. That's the
Yeah,
question.
that is the question.
Yeah. So you're interchanging the variable. I get it correct. Let me just tell you how I solve it. You're interchanging the variable. That is, you say s equal 5
Let
y
me tell
minus
you.
3.
Hold on. You hold on. So you have 5x minus 3 over 3x plus 1, right? Let's
Yes,
interchange the variable. Okay,
yes,
so you have x is equal to 5y minus 3. You got that?
yeah,
Or over 3y plus 1. You got that, right? Then you cross multiply for 3y to cancel out the
yeah,
denominator.
yeah, yeah. Let's proceed.
Thomas Abe, over to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, this is the last game of the day, or the last game to climax the round of 12. We progress from the round of 12, we progress to the round of 6 or quarterfinal. However, we move directly into the question number 4. The question is question number 4, and I read for both, and I read for Smo. Smo, your question, question number 4, and I read. Determine the common ratio of a geometric sequence if the fifth term is 128 and the third term is 32. Determine the common ratio of a geometric sequence if the fifth term is 128 and the third term is 32. I read for the last time. Determine the common ratio of a geometric sequence if the fifth term is 128 and the third term is 32.
50 seconds remaining. Fifteen seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Small.
Slow. 10
Your
seconds.
answer.
Yeah. So the common ratio will be 7.
Take the common ratio to be 7. The common ratio is 7. I can accept that you are wrong. Common ratio is 2. The common ratio is 2. Move on to question number 5. And I read, simplify 3 plus 4r all divided by 2 minus r. Simplify 3 plus 4r all divided by 2 minus r. 55 seconds remaining. 45 seconds remaining. 35 seconds remaining.
Smoke,
25 seconds remaining. Small.
smoke.
Small. What is the
Yeah.
answer?
I'm aware of 2 plus 11 are all divided by 5.
2 plus 11r divided by 5. Teach me.
Yes, firstly, the question is 3 plus 4 are all what 2 minus r. So now you are solving like rationalizing the denominator, and in rationalizing the denominator, you find the conjugate of the denominator and multiply by both sides. That is 3 plus 4 are all what 2 minus r times 2 plus r all what 2 plus r. So if you solve it, you get 6 plus 3r plus 8r plus 4 parentheses will be minus 1, you close it, all divided by 4 minus r plus 1 minus 1 parenthesis will be minus 1, you close it. And if you simplify from there, you get 6 plus 11r minus 4 all divided by 4 plus 1. And if you solve it, you get 6 minus 4 plus 11r all 5. And if you simplify, you get 2 plus 11r all divided by 5.
13 points. The question is question number 6, first half. And I read, a bag contains 3 red balls, 2 blue balls, and 5 green balls. I read again. A bag contains 3 red balls, 2 blue balls, and 5 green balls. What is the probability of drawing a red ball given that the ball is not blue? What is the probability of drawing a red ball given that the ball is not blue? 55 seconds remaining.
Two.
30 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining.
It will be 3 hours time. 1 hour now because 2 hours now because in reality one for that. Thank you when I voice.
10 seconds remaining. The countdown. 1, 2,
Smoke.
3. Smoke. What is the answer?
318.
Teach me.
Yes, firstly, he gave all he gave the amount of balls available, which is 3 red, 2 blue, and that of 5 green. So the total here,
Thomas, how many questions did you answer? 3 or 4?
No, it's 30 points now. If he improved this one, it's 30 points. So he
Okay.
answered 2 for me.
Just giving us a split second to be back. Ladies and gentlemen, this is we're trying to sail through the last game of the day, and we will be playing the round of 6 on Tuesday of this week. Tuesday of this week is going to be the round of 6. I think Thursday of this week is going to be the round of 4 or the semifinal. And then on Saturday, that will be the grand final, the third place in the grand final. As it stands, the score is 20 points to Sumo Moye, and Grace Bafis is absent from this game.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Forming the Kwesiko Hakia Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyamonga institution.
King Home because I built a great wall of China in the 6th century BC. But for today, battle coming of chemical that is meant to kill all sicknesses within the human stomach are stomach.
Yes, let them have big Gary Gator.
So, Thomas, what are the confirmed games for Tuesday, the round of 6?
So, for Tuesday, the round of 6 games that are confirmed, we have the first game to be Jimmy Chulokon versus Sumo Moye Memorial Institute, which of course they are playing uh bench. So obviously they will qualify, so it's confirmed. However, by 3 o'clock p.m., we have Dream School 16 versus Natana Valley Massacre on Tuesday. And the last game of the day is a physical encounter. We have College of West Africa from Montserrado County versus Maguire from Montserrado County. So these are the 3 games we should expect on Tuesday, to be precise, July 2nd, 2024. And they also
All right. So, Sumo, prove your answer. Let's continue. Prove your answer.
Yeah. The sample space, because if you add all the ball or you add the ball, it will be 10. That is the sample space now will be 10. And instead of probably of picking red ball, but which are called blue ball not be included. So I saw try the amount of blue ball from the red ball, not from the red ball, the amount of blue ball from the sample space. When I saw try and give me 8. So now the final sample space is 8. And I'll only be dealing with red ball and that a green ball. Probably they was letting only red ball without or blue ball included is either all or 8. But the new sample space now will be 8.
Thomas, you muted. I'm not hearing you. No, I'm not hearing you. So please work on that. So take 10 points. Take 10 points. Let's move on to question number 7. Question number 7. Can you hear me? Question number 7. Good. Working with a concentric cycle, the distance from the auto cycle to the center is 60 centimeter. The distance from the smaller cycle to the center is 30 centimeter. What is the area between the two cycles? What is the area between the two cycles? What would be the area between the two cycles? Please pay attention. Working with a concentric cycle, the distance from the auto cycle to the center is 60 centimeter. And the distance from the smaller cycle to the center is 30 centimeter, 30. What is the area between the two cycles? Or what is the area between the larger and the smaller cycle? Sumo Moye, you got 30 seconds.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Call me the Kwesiko Haja Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyamonga institution.
King Home because build a great world of China in the 6th century BC. For today, battle coming or chemical that is meant to kill all sickness within the human stomach as zombie.
Sumo Moye, what is my answer? Sumo Moye, my answer. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Small.
Small.
The answer will be 95.
Wrong. It's 2,700 pa. 2,700 pa. Simple. How you find the area? Area is equal to what? Pa arrow what?
Pi square.
So the area of the larger one is what?
3,000. For the larger one will be
3,600 pa. The smaller one is 900 pa. Then you minus the smaller from the larger. You minus the smaller from the larger. I ask you for the space in between. The question is number 8. Factor.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Thomas. Factor. Factor completely. 72x cubed plus 120x squared plus 50x. Factor completely. 72x cubed plus 120x plus 50 x squared plus 50x. Factor completely. 72x cubed plus 120x squared plus 50x.
Yeah,
30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Time. 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 Factor completed will be 2x parenthesis open 6x plus 5 closes square. Sumo Moye, are you there?
Yes, I know.
It will be 2x parenthesis open 6x plus 5 closes square. That'll be your answer. The question is number 9. That was question. That's question number 8. Question number 9. Question number 9. Simplify the complex fraction. Simplify the complex fraction. Simplify the complex fraction. X minus 5 minus parenthesis opens 18 over x plus 2, it closes, or divided by x plus 7 plus parenthesis opens 6 divided by x plus 2, it closes. I repeat the question. Simplify the complex fraction. X minus 5 minus parenthesis opens 18 divided by x plus 2, it closes, or divided by x plus 7 plus parenthesis opens 6 divided by x plus 2 parenthesis close. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
Sumo.
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 Sumo. Answer. One.
Yes, moderator. Yeah, you getting me?
Go ahead, answer. 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, you get parenthesis. Let me just put in parenthesis. You get parenthesis open, s minus 7 closes, and then open s plus 4 closes, all divided by parenthesis open s plus 7 closes, and then open s plus 2.
You're wrong. The simplified version is x minus 7 divided by x plus 5. X minus 7 divided by x plus 5. That is your simplified version. Thomas Sabe, over to you. Second half.
So, folks, without much time to waste, we move on to the next 3 questions in the second half. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read question number 1. And I read solve for x in this equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. You have 50 seconds remaining. You have 30 seconds remaining. You have 15 seconds remaining.
Yeah, small.
Small. What is the answer?
S will be equal to nothing else or 3 or minus 2 or 1. Or
You are
minus 1
wrong.
or 2.
You are wrong. You are wrong. The correct and precise answer is x is equal to 3 over 2 or x is equal to 1. X is equal to 3 over 2 or x is equal to 1. That was question number 1, second half. The question is question number 2, second half. And I read question number 2. Write the equation of the hyperbola center at the origin with vectors at parenthesis open 0, plus or minus 4, and the isotopes is y is equal to plus or minus 1 over 2x, and the isotopes is y is equal to plus or minus 1 over 2x. I read for the last time. Write the equation of the hyperbola center at the origin with vertex at parenthesis open 0, plus or minus 4 equals, and the isotopes is y is equal to plus or minus 1 over 2x. The asymptotes is y is equal to plus or minus 1 over 2x. You have 10 more seconds. You have 20 seconds remaining. Now the countdown. 1, 2, 3.
Small.
Small. What is the answer? You have 10 seconds.
Yeah, tell the equation will be parenthesis open plus or minus 1 or 2 plus h equals to plus or minus 4.
You are wrong. The equation is y squared over 16 minus s squared over 4 is equal to 1. Y squared over 16 minus s squared over 4 is equal to 1. The question is question number 3, and I read expand parenthesis open 1 minus x equals raised to the fifth power. Expand parenthesis open 1 minus x equals raised to the fifth power. You have 10 more seconds remaining. You have 20 seconds remaining.
Smoke.
Small. You have 10 seconds. 1.
Yes, the answer is 1 minus 5x plus 10x squared minus 10x cubed plus 5x to the 4 power minus x to the 5 power.
Teach me.
Yes, firstly, this is the Pascal triangle. And the fifth row of the Pascal triangle is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So now, the first one, or the first term, which is 1, or the L value in parentheses is just 1. And the Y value is just X. So now it is 1 to the power of 5 minus 5 parentheses open 1 encloses raised to the power of 4x plus 10 parentheses open 1 encloses cube x squared minus 10 parentheses open square encloses x cube plus 5 parentheses open 1 encloses x to the 4 power minus x to the 5 power. If we simplify it, it will be 1 minus 5x plus 10x squared minus 10x cubed plus 5x to the 4 power minus x to the 5th power.
Take 10 points. So the score is 40 points to Sumo and 0 to Grace Bafty that is not in studio.
All right, let's move over to question number 4, second half. On the interval of 2, 0, and 2 pi, on the interval of 0 and 2 pi, find or solve root 3, I come again, solve second x over 2, second x over 2 is equal to 2 over root 3. Second x over 2 is equal to 2 over root 3. Prove or verify the trigonometry equation. Prove or verify the trigonometry equation on the interval of 0 and 2 pi. Second, x divided by 2 is equal to 2 over root 3. You have 50 seconds.
Zero.
10 seconds. Small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Small,
9.
small, small.
Time.
Small.
Time. You said small ever since, my friend. Time. If you're looking at x over 2 pi, or x over 2 or pi over 2 will be equal to 11 over 6 pi plus 2 pi n. Or if you're looking at it from the general standpoint, it will be x is equal to pi over 3 plus 4 pi n and 11 pi over 3 plus 4n. Move on to question number 8. We will move on to question number 8. We move on to question number 8. If 4x minus 8i is equal to 7 minus 4yi, determine x and y. If 4x is equal to, if 4x minus 8i is equal to 7 minus 4yi, determine x and y. Repeat. If 4x minus 8i is equal to 7 minus 4yi, determine x and y.
Small.
Small.
Y will be equal to 7 over 4 and S will be equal to Y equal 8 and X equal 7 or 4.
Y is equal to 8 and X is equal to 7 or 4. You're wrong. I hope you see your mistake. You're wrong. I hope you see your mistake. You see your mistake?
Yeah, then proceed.
Thank you. Y is equal to 2 and X is equal to 7 over 4. The question is going to be number 6. This question is going to be number 6. The question is going to be number 6.
No, we have to back on it. We have to back on it.
Thomas, is it possible you can take it from there for me?
Oh, okay, no problem.
No, I got it. I got it. Permuter the word niggling. Permuter the word niggling. N-R-G-G-L-I-N-G. N-R-G-G-L-I-N-G. Niggling.
GGLING.
30 seconds. Twenty seconds. 5 seconds. 5.
Small.
Some more.
Small.
10 seconds.
840.
You're wrong. 1680. 8 factorial or 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Niggling. N-I-G-G-L-I-N-G. Niggling. Thomas, over to you.
Forget about it.
So first, we moved on to the next 3 questions to climax this game. The question is question number 7, and I read for both schools. Or I read for small. Question number 7, and I read for small. Find the exact value of secant 30 degree. Find the exact value of secant 30 degree. For the 5-second remaining.
Small.
Small.
2 root 3 over 3.
2 root 3 or what? Teach me.
Okay. Firstly, is there secant 30 degree. And we'll notice that the inverse of cos theta is secant theta. And that of cos 30 degree is root 3 over 2. And we'll find the inverse root 3 over 2 will be 2 over root 3. When we get 2 over root 3, we'll rationalize the denominator by multiplying both sides by root 3. So we'll get 2 over 3 over root 3, we'll get 2 root 3 all divided by 3.
13 points. The question is question number 8, second half. And I read. Question number 8, second half, and I read. The sum of the ages of Alex and Bob is 50 years. The sum of the ages of Alex and Bob is 50 years. 5 years ago, Alex was 3 times as old as Bob. How old are they now? 5 years ago, Alex was 3 times as old as Bob. How old are they now? I read again. The sum of the ages of Alice and Bob is 50 years. 5 years ago, Alice was 3 times as old as Bob. How old are they now? For the 5-second remaining. 30 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining.
Small.
Small. What is your answer? One, two, three,
Yeah, one person will
four.
be 35 years, another will be 15 years. And that added down will be 35 years, and boy will be 15 years.
Teach me.
Yes, question is there the sum of that age is 50 years. In 5 years ago, Alice was 3 times Bob age. So now you get I representing Alice age with 5 and representing Bob age with Y. So I get in my first cell I get F plus Y equal to 50. And then I found out 5 years ago, I got L minus 5 equal to 3Y. And I was saying the minus 5 equal to positive 5. So I get F equal 3Y plus 5. And I'll come back in the equation and interchange it. Then I solve the value for Y. When I solve the value of Y, I'll get 15. I send it across, I get added in. I can't plug in the first equation, so I get F of 15 equal to 50. If I send it across, it will change to negative, I get F will be equal to 35. Which will be I to A will be 35 and 4 will be 15.
Still 10 points. So, folks, this is the last question to climax this game. The score is 60 points to Small. The question is question from last in a read. If the measure of an angle is 7 over 5 of x complement, find the measure of the angle. If the measure of an
Come again.
angle, pay attention. Are you hearing me? What's going on? Is it raining?
Yes.
Is it raining there?
It raining.
Oh, okay. So pay attention. If the measure of an angle is 7 over 5 of x complement, find the measure of the angle. If the measure of an angle is 7 over 5 of x complement, find the measure of the angle. If the measure of an angle is 7 over 5 of x complement, find the measure of the angle.
Is 7 over 5 of it complement one another.
Yeah, 45 seconds remaining.
Small.
So, what is the answer?
72 degree.
72 degrees. 72 degrees is not correct. The correct precise answer is 52.5 degree. 52.5 degree. And folks, and the seller is x is equal to 7 over 5, parenthesis open 90 minus x equals 6. X is equal to 7 over 5, parenthesis open 90 minus x equals 6. And you solve for x. X will be 52.5. So folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. The score is 60 points to Sumo and 0 to Chris that is not in studio. Hello? Yeah, Mintel, I don't know if you know.
What are we to expect on Tuesday, Thomas?
So, so on Tuesday, we have to expect four, three games, and these three games will be the quarterfinal of the round. However, July 2nd, 2024, 4 p.m., we have Jimmy Jologon High School versus Sumo Moye Memorial Institute. We have Dream 216 versus National Valley Massacre. And by 4 o'clock p.m., we have College of West Africa versus McGuire. So these are the three games we should expect on Tuesday. However, for the students' knowledge and the audience knowledge, we will be expecting a best loser out of these three games. We'll be expecting a best loser out of these three games. And per the board games rules, the best loser is determined by the number of question answer. It's not by the margin. It's determined by the number of question answer. So out of these games, the person with the highest answer for lose will be classified as the best loser, and such individual will progress to the semi-final.
So
So these are
the best loser, more or less, will play Jimmy Jolokan,
sure.
and then the
So
winner,
we'll play Jimmy Jologon or Sumo Moye.
Jimmy Jolokan
So
or
we,
Sumo Moye,
yeah,
and the winner. Thank you for the correction. And the winner from the game between uh the winner from the game between CWA and Dreams and Nathaniel Fanning we play the other semi-final game. Is that correct?
sure.
All
So
right.
James or Nathaniel Vanning will play TWA or or how do you call it? Maguire.
All right.
And the best loser will play this winner from Jimmy Jologon and Sumo Moye's game.
All right. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you so much. I'd just like to say thanks for the time, and I'll see you on Tuesday. To the
Okay,
folks out
thank
there,
you.
we see you on Tuesday.